Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to off message notifications on Facebook PC. We start by opening Facebook. After that, we click on our account icon. Then click on Settings and Privacy, and after that, Settings. Here we will go to the Notifications category. Then we will click on the Messages option, and we can deactivate the Allow Notifications on Facebook option. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.